This is the Pat McGrath Mothership IV Decadence palette. The outer packaging is the image of a crown. It is not raised or textured in any way. This is the one palette out of the Mothership series that is listed as limited edition both on Sephora.com as well as the Pat McGrath website. Similar to the other packaging, you have a card insert with the shade names, and on the back side of this insert you also have the ingredients for each shadow. You have a total of 20 grams total product in this eyeshadow palette. It is made in the United States and has a 12-month shelf life. My swatch techniques involve prepping my arm with Urban Decay's Primer Potion in the original version. I use a MAC 242 brush or a MAC 239 brush. I also color switch between the swatches so my brushes are never damp. This is the first row. The texture of these shadows is different than the special shades in the Mothership 1, 2, and 3 palette in that these are more metallic rather than duochromes like in the Mothership 1, 2, and 3 palette. I use the MAC 239 for all of the swatches, and the shadows swatched beautifully. These are the shadows in regular lighting and again under flash. On to the second row. My absolute favorite shade in the palette has to be Lapis Luxury. Hedonistic is not far behind. I was not able to achieve full pigmentation on one swatch with Lapis Luxury, but I went back at the end and you can see that the color can be built up very, very nicely. And there you have row number 2 under regular lighting. As well as under flash. Next, we have a wipe test to indicate how well the shadows may last on the eyes throughout the day as well as their blendability. This is your first row. And your second row. Thank you so much for watching this swatch video. This is a series on my channel, so be sure to check out my playlist for other palettes. If there's any other palettes that you would like to see featured in this series, leave those in the comment section down below, as well as any questions you may have about this particular palette. I hope you will subscribe and join my makeup family for new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday with some bonus videos in between. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you again very, very soon on my next one. Bye-bye.